How to delete all contacts from phone. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can delete all of the contacts from phone. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So all you have to do is on your Android device, you have to launch the contact application in your mobile device. Once you land on your contact page, you have to select the contact that you want to delete and simply tap on delete icon at the top right. But if you want to delete all of the contact at once, tap on the three dot at the top right, then tap on select all. After you tap on select all, tap on delete icon, and with that all of your contacts from your mobile device will get deleted at once. And that's how you can delete all the contacts from phone. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.